For today's video, I'm going to practice driving a car. Some communities can be very far from the nearest station. That is why most people have their own cars. However, it is not that easy to acquire a driving license for some people. I am some people. When it's raining, it's so difficult to ride my scooter or even my bike or even a taxi. Taxi can be very expensive. So today we went to a driving course. In this driving course, my husband's gonna be my driving instructor. Even without a license, I can practice driving in here legally. We are paying around 4,000 yen for a 2-hour use of the driving course. For this video, I'm gonna show you my driving skills and my husband's teaching skills. Let's go! And take note, I filmed this video when I was still pregnant with my daughter.
Pasado ka na driving instructor, hindi ka naman pala masungit. Hindi ka naman pala naninigaw.
Hindi mo naninigaw.
Ha? Naninigaw ka.
Mag-drive ka kasi ng legal. Gusto mo kasi mag-drive agad ka yung sa highway ka agad eh.
Dati yun. Fast and the Furious yun.
Oo, kain-kain ng white. Kain na kain.
Paano? Okay na.
Sabi ko, igitna mo yung kaluluwa mo.
Nakagitna ako. Oo, yan.
Oo, edi hindi mo kinakain yung white.
Pag nakain yung white, hindi na ako pasado.
Oo, minus ka na. Pag nakadalawang ganun ka, ban ka na.
Soda yun eh.
Na-joke ko. Hindi ka na naman nag-slow down. Sabi ko mag-slow down ka bago lumiko.
Paano mo mag-slow down? Magbe-brake?
Dun, yan, halimbawa yan.
Sige,
nasa
try
unahan
natin
pa lang. Yan, dito pa lang na-slow down ka na. Slow down, nagdahan-dahan ka na nagbe-brake. Para pagdating dyan, hindi mo na bine-brake yan. Yan. At hindi mo kinakain yung daan. O naman, OA. OA naman yung brake mo. Pero that's better kasi mas safe yun.
Sa pang-ikot.
Masterin mo yun ah. Tingnan natin kung di-negosyo dyan sana. Sa may white. Narinig. Narinig. Kinain? Hindi. Matalino ka pala eh. Talinong matching. Kinain? Kinain.
Hindi ah. Mamaya yan na yung ano ko. Yung sasabihin ko dun sa instructor. Kinain ko ba? Muta beta.
Ang alin?
Shiro.
Ano kinain mo?
Shiroy yatsu.
Gagi.
Shiroy yatsu. Oh no, tabemashita.
Baliw. Yan, magta-try na po siya ng S-curve. Ayan, pakita nga ng malapit mong skill. Tinating ang mga ka-S. Ayan, pupunta na po siya. Nagpapasin na, ala. Parang may earthquake. Ala. Ano? Nagtataka lang ako bakit parang ang shaky natin. Wala namang bato.
Manahimik ka.
Ganyan po ba magtrato ng driving instructor?
-5 ka sa sungit.
Yan, papasok na siya sa S. Ayan, pagka-ikot niya dyan. Asan yung S mo?
Naligaw.
To. Yes, okay. Sharp curve, kaya mo? Patay, kain.
Ay, soda yun eh.
It's okay.
Paano yung pag
Ganun, dapat may magbigay ka ng allowance. Kailangan mong kumain, lalo malaki sa sakya mo, kailangan mong kumain talaga sa kabila. Saan yung S mo?
Yan yung S. Tatandaan.
1 minute na tayo, wala pa yung S mo.
Mate.
Okay, S-curve na po si Manang. Tingnan natin kung kaya niya. Ay, ayun no. Natin kung di siya mahulog. Aba. Okay, so far so good. Walang nalalaglag. Okay, pasok na pasok. Ayun na, suave. Abay, makakagaling na driver. Hindi po siya nalaglag, mga sir.
Pasado.
Magaling sa practice. Good job, baby. Galing mo na pala mag-S eh.
Doon ako nabagsak doon sa first test ko eh. Ganto. Boog! Tapos lahat nung nandun sa observatory deck, sa viewing deck, pegtawa na lang ako.
Yun talaga yung sound. Boog!
Oo. Sa utak ko. Parang si SpongeBob. Mrs. Bob!
Yan, tinitingnan niya ngayon kung nasa gitna talaga siya. Kasi sabi ko, igitna niya yung katawan niya. Hindi siya naniniwala. Ayan, ngayon naniniwala na siya na kailangan na kagitna yung kaluluwa niya. Kasi lagi niyang kinakain yung white niya. Niwala ka na? Naniwala ka na? Okay, hindi pa. Oo?
Oo.
Okay.
My second day of driving practice was so much better. I feel like I can finally pass my driving test. I can only think of few reasons why I won't pass the test. Number one reason is I will forget to look at the side mirror and the rear view mirror. Second reason is I will forget to look at the side of the road before turning. Third reason is I'm going to panic because the driving instruction is going to be in Japanese. Practical driving test in a driving center is so hard. Police officers are going to be your driving instructor and they're going to grade your driving skills. Compared to a formal driving school, it is much cheaper to get a driver's license from the driving center. But they are very strict and so many people failed the first 7 times.
Tatamaan mo yan.
Kahit hindi.
Full turn.
Sobrang trustworthy na daw ako mag-drive. Naglalaro na lang siya ng video games. Pwede na akong drive sa bypass. Pwede na daw.
I was very pregnant that time, and after failing so many times on practical tests, I just gave up and decided that I'm going to go to a formal driving school instead. But it's just gonna be very expensive, but a lot easier. I'm choosing my battles. So for now, back to basics. Bye!